In this step we will set up the callout section of the front page. Click on the Customize link to open the Customizer panel. Click on the Front Page Section tab. Click on the Callout tab to open Callout settings. The first setting is the Callout Enable Disable setting. Now, we will add section title, description, button text and button link for the callout section. Using the Change Image button, you can upload the callout section background image. Now select your callout width, container and container full. After setting up callout settings, click on the Publish button to save changes, and close the Customizer, to take a final preview of the callout section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.